Our team works hard to ensure our clients are satisfied, so we love it when our clients provide feedback in the form of a review. It's great validation that we're on the right track. A happy customer that leaves a review like this online ends up being a great repeat customer, and that's what motivates our staff and team to serve you better. We strive hard to achieve great reviews like this. It's so inspiring. Find out how our thousands of hours of knowledge and experience can help you. We value your business and we want to show you why. We hope you enjoyed our small section of the internet today. We look forward to talking to you.